All right. Hey, everybody. Sorry I couldn't be here today, but just wanted to go over this DGP with you here. So let's take a look at our first sentence that we did in class, but I don't think that you all have, I don't think that we went over it. Make that a little bit bigger so that you can see it. Even a little bigger. Okay. All right. Now, first step of the Paisley 4-step. We are going to look for our positives. So remember, you say, is blank the same as blank? So hopefully you've got the word copy, Ethan Frome, novel, room, copy, play, and our town. So all of those are the nouns that we're dealing with in the sentence. So, first step, do we have any positives? Is copy the same as Ethan Frome? This is a little tricky, I have to admit, but the answer is no, it's not. And there's some grammatical reasons that become clear later on, but the copy is not the same as Ethan Frome. Is Ethan Frome the same as a novel? And the answer is yes. So which of the two is an appositive? Remember, an appositive follows and renames a noun. So a novel is the same thing as Ethan Frome. All right, so novel is going to be your appositive. We're going to keep on going. Is novel the same as room? No. Is room the same as copy? No. Is copy the same as play? Same situation up here? No. But is the play the same as our town? And the answer is yes. So the appositive follows and renames. And so our town is your appositive. So far we have two appositives, novel and our town. Step 2 of the Paisley 4-step, we're going to identify our objects of the preposition. First preposition is of. Of what? Of Ethan Frome. Next preposition is in. In what? In the room. And then the last preposition is of what play. So Ethan Frome, room, and play are all objects of the preposition. Now, if you label those as subjects or anything else, that means you refused to follow the Paisley 4-step. You refused to look at the preposition and then ask preposition what. Because if you had made yourself do that, it would have forced you to the right answer. All right. So if you did that, slap yourself on the hand, and let's not let that happen again. Okay. Next. We're going to look for the subjects. Step 3. What was found? Well, novel's already taken. Ethan Frome was already taken. The only thing that you're left with is copy. So the copy was found. Same thing down here. What is missing? Our town is taken. Play is taken. The copy is missing. So those are your two subjects right there. Now, if you're asking about someone's, remember possessives act like adjectives. Okay, so with all that in mind, I think that covers most of our major elements here. The only thing left to deal with is our prepositional phrases. What kind of copy? Of Ethan Frome. So that's a great example of an adjectival prep phrase. What kind of copy here? Of the play. So these are both adjectival prep phrases. And then in the room tells you where. So that's an adverbial prep phrase. Okay. Finally, what do we do with found and missing? If you put them as helping verb, action verb, that's good. Your other option would be to put linking verb participle. Okay. Either one of those will work. We can process that together when I see you again. Okay. That is DGP 10.2.2. All right.